Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Your child can read. 14.
14.
Hello. We are going to read some words. Read with us. Mouth, mouth. Open your mouth. Max, open your mouth. Okay. 5. 5 equals 0 plus 5. 5 equals 1 plus 4. 5 equals 2 plus 3. 5 equals 3 plus 2. 5 equals 4 plus 1. 5 equals 5 plus 0. Ta-da!
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
5.
5.
5 balloons. 5 balloons. Max, can you pull the balloons down? Pull them down. So who brought the balloons? Angie? Your sister, Angie. How many balloons did she get? 5, because you're 5. Look, there are 3 blue ones and 2 yellow ones. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Happy dance. Balloon dance. Wow, crazy dance. Crazy dance. Catch, caught. Catch, caught. Uh-oh, the balloons caught Max because Max was doing crazy dance. Let's rescue Max. Max, does it hurt? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa, crazy balloons. Crazy balloons. We rescued Max. Whoa. Did the balloons catch you again? You caught, Max. You caught again. Let's rescue you. You fighting with balloons? Put out the fire. Put out the fire. The children are putting out the fire in the Children's City of Professions. No more fire. There is no more fire. Well, almost. Do you see Max in this picture? Fire truck. Fire truck. Do you see Max in the fire truck? Right, writing.
What is she writing?
What is she writing? Street, street. It's the word street upside down. Street.
What a narrow street! What a narrow street!
What a narrow street! Look at these beautiful narrow French streets. Face painting. Face painting.
Face painting.
Have you ever had a painting on your face? Face. Face. What is the young woman painting on the pretty girl's face now? There is a red spider on the girl's cheek. Robot spider, robot spider. Spider robot, spider robot.
I like your spider, Max. Wow. Hello, spider. Whoops, I dropped my glasses.
Now, now. What is she painting now? Scorpion. Scorpion. Is it a scorpion? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Max's turn. Max's turn. It is Max's turn now. What is she painting on Max's hand? Gray. Gray. Is it a gray dolphin? Gray dolphin. Gray dolphin. Yes, it is. It's a gray dolphin. Is. Is.
Max, you can circle the word is, yeah. And give it to the monster, yeah, like this with an arrow. Look, I will circle this one. And then the monster can eat it. Here, monster, eat it. Is. Reading is fun. Drawing is fun too.
Max is happy. Max is happy. Max is happy. He has a dolphin on his hand. Where is the dolphin? Where? It's on Max's hand. On his hand. Max has a beautiful dolphin painting on his hand. Famous. Famous. And here is baby Max looking at some famous paintings. You can see Max and Angie in front of Claude Monet's paintings. Claude Monet was a French painter and artist. He used broad brushstrokes to build up his pictures and painted quite quickly. If you go very close to one of his pictures, it is hard to see what it shows. But if you stand back, everything becomes clear. Art gallery. Art gallery. Max, Wolfie, and Yellow Bear are in the art gallery. Look at this chain armor and suit of armor. Suit of armor. Suit of armor. Suit of armor. We call it a knight. What color is it? Gray? More famous paintings. This painting is called the Magic Carpet or the Flying Carpet. It was painted by Russian painter Viktor Vasnetsov in 1880. Wolfie's trying to fly too. Funny Wolfie. In front of. In front of. Wolfie is in front of another famous painting. It's Vasnetsov's painting called Epical Heroes, 1898. What is it? What is it? What is she painting now? Can you guess? It's a fox. It's a fox. Ladybug. Ladybug. There is a ladybug on the girl's hand. It matches her red jacket. Heart. Heart. Is it a heart? Yes, it is. Guess. Guess. And what face painting is that?
Can you guess?
Can you guess? Unicorn. Unicorn. It's a unicorn. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a beautiful unicorn. What a beautiful girl. Two little ducks. Aw, they're so cute.
Oh, they're so cute.
Five little ducks. Five little ducks.
You ready, honey? Shall we read this book, Five Little Ducks? No, stay here, honey. Let's read it together.
5 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Wait, Mama Duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. Max, look, 4. Where's the ladybug? Yes, it's right there, flying. There's the ladybug. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mother Duck said, what? Where's the ladybug? You see the ladybug? Yes, he's right there crawling. Mother Duck said, what did Mother Duck say? What did Mother Duck say? Press the button. Mother Duck said, Max, press the button. Quack, 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 quack. Hey. Hello? Max? Mother Duck said, go press the button. Hey, little one, go press the button. No? What did Mother Duck say? She said, quack, 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 quack.
Picture. Picture. Try to make a picture with 2 ducks too. You will need some plasticine, colored paper, and a picture frame.
Good job! Well done.
Practice makes perfect. Let's review.
Let's read the words together.
Let's read the words together. Are you ready? Let's go. Mouth. Open your mouth. 5. 5 balloons. Catch. Caught. Face. Painting. Famous. Put out the fire. No more fire. Fire truck. Write. Writing. Street. Narrow. Robot. Spider. Now. Scorpion. Max's turn. Gray. Gray dolphin. What is it? Where? Is. On his hand. Suit of armor. In front of. Heart. Guess. Unicorn. Ladybug. Little ducks. Beautiful. Picture. Max is happy. See you soon. Have you read any of my books? Which one is your favorite? Secrets of Happiness. 39 Things I've Learned in 39 Years by Anna Mitkevich, the creator of Little Angel Reader YouTube channel. If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, you can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.